Here we go with problem 25. It says in parallelogram ABCD, what is angle C? So here's the parallelogram they gave us. Now in a parallelogram, just as the word implies, opposite sides are parallel. Well, also what's always true with a parallelogram is opposite angles will always be equal in measurement. So I know that this corner and this corner are equal. I know that the 6x plus 6 must equal to 10x minus 30. I'm going to set them equal and solve for x to get these measurements. But it asked me about angle C. Now, that will leave, since it's 360, it'll leave me whatever's left over to be divided equally between A and C. But the other thing we know is in a parallelogram, not only are the opposite sides going to be equal, those will be equal and those will be equal, but we know that two sides side by side, that angle and that angle are supplementary. They'll add up to 180. And that guy will add up to 180. And B and C will add up to 180. A and D will add up to 180. So once I get that, I could go through all that rigmarole of doing 360 minus what I have and then dividing by 2 to see how much I have left. No sense in that. Once I find him, I'm just going to do 180 minus whatever that is, and it'll tell me what angle's here, and the same thing up there for that angle. So I'm going to go ahead and set 10x minus 30 equal to 6x plus 6. So we have 10x minus 30 equal to 6x plus 6. Now subtract, I always like to subtract the smaller variable to move it over to be with the other variable. So I get 4x minus 30 is equal to, that's gone, 6. Now I'm going to move the 30 over there. To get rid of minus 30, I add 30. So 4x equals 36. Divide by 4 on both those pieces. You're going to get x is 9. If I come back to this problem, 10 times 9 is 90 minus 30. It makes this guy 60 degrees. 6 times 9, 54, plus 6 makes it 60 degrees. If this is 60, I know this is going to be 120 and that's going to be 120 because again, these are going to be supplementary, those are going to be supplementary, those will be supplementary, and these corners will be supplementary. So I get 120 degrees for the angles measurement of angle C.